Introducing MOTOBATT Pro Lithium. Unlike the lead-acid battery technology, these batteries are extremely lightweight, up to +5 times lighter. Their interior is composed of 4 cells of lithium iron phosphate. These batteries are very safe since they do not have any acid inside. Also, they have greater starting capacity and very low self-discharge, for which it has a longer duration while we do not use the vehicle. MOTOBATT Pro Lithium uses quad flakes technology, 4 terminals, and foam spacers. This allows you to replace with only 9 units 92 references from other brands. The quality of our batteries is always a priority for us. We don't stop being competitive. MOTOBATT Pro Lithium is presented in 2 series. B Series includes an intelligent cell balancing circuit, CBD, which levels the 4 cells at the highest level, providing the greatest power in output and increasing the performance of our battery. HP Series, in addition to the intelligent cell balancing circuit, includes a protection circuit board. This circuit protects the battery against overcharge over 3.59 volt per cell, discharge below 8 volt, and temperature cut off at over 55 Celsius. MOTOBATT recommends this type of technology for professional or competition use and not for daily use, especially if we have some extra accessories, since they don't have enough capacity to supply. This type of batteries need a special charger for lithium batteries. MOTOBATT recommends the Fatboy charger for a correct charge and maintenance, extending dramatically the life cycle.